Good morning, students. Welcome to your computer class. Students, today we are going to learn about Microsoft Excel, and we're going to learn about formulas and elements of formulas in MS Excel. So let's start our class today. So what is formula used for? Students, before that, let's try to understand what is Microsoft Excel. Now, Microsoft Excel is, as we all know, comprises of rows and columns. It has got tables. It is used for calculations and storing data. Now, Microsoft Excel is a powerful tool which is part of the Microsoft Office package, and it is a spreadsheet program. Now, what are formulas used for? Why do we use formulas, and what are formula used for? Formulas are used for performing calculation. So always a formula will start with an equal to sign, and it contains values and cell references, functions and operators. Now let's try to understand what each one of them mean here. Now they are the number of text in values that can be entered directly in a formula. Example, the values can be 988 name, right, or anything with a decimal point, and these are also called as constants. Cell references are the addresses to the cell references. Now if you remember, each cell has got a name, so the name is what is reference, is considered as the cell reference. Functions are built-in formulas in MS Excel. So these are ready-made formula. You don't have to do anything. You just have to type them and start using them. Those are called as the functions. And operators, as you have learned in mathematics, is addition sign, the plus sign, the multiplication sign, the subtraction, division, etc. Right? So what are the elements of formula? Now the first one, if you see, is the equal to sign. So every formula starts with an equal to sign, and then you have the cell address or the cell reference, which is the cell name, right? And then there is a mathematical operator. You can see the arithmetic operator, the plus sign, the multiplication sign, or the into sign. Then comes the constant or the range in which these are put into. So these are the elements of formulas. Now how do you perform calculation? Now in order to perform calculations, there are few steps which you have to follow. First thing is you enter the data, any data. You can make a table as mentioned, and then you can click on the cell which you want to display the total, and that can be displayed with an equal to sign. Then comes the if you want to select the next cell where you want the total, you can enter that. The address will appear in the next sign, right? And then you repeat the process till you have added all the numbers mentioned there. Then when you press the enter, you get the total. So for example, you can see here is equal to B2 plus B3 plus B4 plus B5, and it goes on. Now how do we use the text operator? A text operator is used to join two or more strings, two or more text strings, and their values are called as concatenation. So what does and signs work here? And signs work as if it's adding the both the numbers. Next comes is the okay, this brings us to the end of the class. So in our homework we will be doing tick the correct option, fill in the blanks, and there is an extra question number 1, which is what is MS Excel used for? So first A and B you will do it in your computer notebook, and the in your bit by bit book, and the last question you will put the chapter heading, you will put today's date and the chapter number, as well as you will fill the index, and then you will write the question, which is extra question number 1, what is MS Excel used for? So students, if you have any doubts or any questions related to today's class, then feel free to reach me through the comment section. So thank you for your time, students, and have a good day.